Hi everyone! In this video, you're going to learn how to unlock the double jump ability, also known as Cloud Leap, in 90 Souls. This move is essential to explore the harder areas, solve puzzles, and progress deeper into the game. Let's get started. Step 1. Defeat Lady Ethereal. Head to the Cortex Center, Soulscape, and defeat Lady Ethereal. She is a key boss required to unlock the ability. Step 2. Return to Four Seasons Pavilion. After the fight, you'll be teleported or can fast travel to the Four Seasons Pavilion. This is where you'll gain access to the roach node. Step 3. Activate the roach node. Find and interact with the roach node inside the pavilion. This will trigger a new training section. Step 4. Complete the training area. Follow the training level carefully. This area is designed to teach you how the Cloud Leap works. Once completed, you unlock double jump. How Cloud Leap works. You can now double jump by pressing the jump button mid-air. It helps you reach high platforms and explore secret zones. How to refresh your double jump. You can reset your double jump by touching the ground, successfully parrying an enemy, attaching the talisman to a target. Where to use it? Try using Cloud Leap to access areas like the Sky Tower and Growth of Scriptures. These zones are now reachable thanks to your new skill. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to unlock and use the double jump Cloud Leap in 90 Souls. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.